trophy, you'll have to put it back in your pocket. If any item does get lost, you will most likely not get it back until the park closes. The park closes at 10 p.m. tonight. You guys ready? Yeah! Well, me too, they're gonna tell you. Here we go. The left bucket was lifted. And the exit to your left-hand side. That's the same side as the red cubbies. If you have anything inside the red cubbies, make sure you guys don't forget them. And we hope you enjoy the rest of the day. You have Busch Gardens and Happy New Year.